Hello everyone, welcome to Coding School. Today we are going to learn Java and these are some topics that we will cover in this video. Our first topic is history of Java. So Java is general purpose object oriented programming language and it is developed by James Gosling who was working in Sun Microsystems. First name of this programming language was Oak but it was renamed as Java in 1995. Team members of Java initiated a revolutionary task to develop a language for digital devices such as set-top boxes, television, etc. Second topic is applications of Java. So Java is used for various applications, but these are some common applications. First application is standalone application or desktop application. To create desktop application using Java, AWT means Abstract Window Toolkit and Swing is used. Next application is web application. Servlet, Java server pages and Java server faces is used for creating web applications. Next two applications are enterprise applications and mobile applications, in which EJB is used for creating enterprise application and ME is used for creating mobile application. Third topic is features of Java and there are total 9 features. So Java is similar to C++ in syntax and it eliminates different complexities of C++ like there is no operator overloading, no direct pointer manipulation, no multiple inheritance and there is also no malloc and free function is available in Java. Second feature says that Java is compiled and interpreted language in which Java compiler converts the source code into bytecode and Java interpreter converts the bytecode into machine code. Almost everything is object in Java, hence Java is truly object oriented language. It is also platform independent and portable, means Java program can be easily moved from one computer system to another computer system anywhere and anytime. Java is designed with the intention of being secure and there is also no pointer arithmetic and memory management in Java. Java is designed as a distributed language for creating application or network and it handles multiple tasks simultaneously. It also provides high performance in which incorporation of multi-threading enhances the overall execution speed and it is dynamic in nature. Our next topic is packages in Java. Packages work similar like libraries in C++ languages. First package is java.lang. This is a default package, means this package is already imported while writing code and there is no need to import this package. It is used to perform basic operations like math operation, string operation, etc. Java.io is used to perform input and output operation of files as well as to take input from user. Java.util is used to implement data structures like linked list, dictionary, etc. as well as to take input from user. Next package is java.applet, which is used to create lightweight web applications. Java.awt is used to create GUI based applications. Network oriented applications are developed using java.net package. Remote applications are created by using java.rmi package and java.sql package is used for database connection. Now let's start with the basic code. Many applications are there for Java coding. I am using IntelliJ IDEA software. It is very easy to use. To create a new project, click on File, New, Project, enter name of the project, select location in which you want to save the project and click on Create. You can create project in new window as well as in current window. So as project is created, software will show main.java file. You can write your code in this file as well as you can create new Java file. Click on src, new Java class, write name of file and press enter. So new file is created. In this we have to write main method, public static void main string argues. Let's see meaning of this line. So public is a Java keyword which declares a member's access as public. Public members are visible to all other classes. This means that any other class can access a public field or method. Static is a keyword. If you declare any method as a static, then that method is known as static method, and this method can be imported without creating object of a class. String argues is used for command line argument. In this code we have to assign values to two variables and perform addition operation on them. First take three variables as a, b, c. A equals to 5, b equals to 3, and c equals to a plus b. System.out.println. Println is used to print statements on new line, and print is used to print statements on current line. Click on run and you will see the output as answer equals to 8. Java.util package contains scanner class. Next int, next float, next double, and next are methods of scanner class which is used to take input from user. In this code we have to take input by using scanner class and next int method and perform addition operation on them. First import scanner class by writing java.util.asterisk. Asterisk is used to import all classes and methods present in class. Public static void main string argues int a b c, then create object of scanner class. Scanner s equals to new scanner system.in. System.out.println. Enter two numbers. A equals to s dot next int, b equals to s dot next int. Next int is used to convert string into integer. C equals to a plus b. System.out.println addition equals to C. Now run the program. System is asking for two numbers. So first we take input as 3 and then 10. So it gives addition as 13. So in this video we are done with basic Java code and working of scanner class. There are lot of topics are remaining to complete. So to keep updated, subscribe to our channel and keep learning code.